Hello everyone, welcome back to Believers IAS Academy. This is Prelims Hacks daily topic of the session. In today's daily topic of the day, we will be discussing about green bonds and greenium. We have discussed about green bonds in detail in previous topic of the day sessions. Today we will be focusing mainly on the greenium aspect. So green bonds are debt instruments issued to fund specific projects or activities that have a positive environmental impact, such as renewable energy, energy efficiency, sustainable agriculture, and climate adaptation. Okay, then the green taxonomy. These bonds are categorized as green under the national or international green taxonomies, which define what quantifies as a sustainable or environmentally friendly project. Okay, so we have to first understand what activities constitute as green activities. Okay, now there is a trend about greenwashing, which we discussed along with AI washing. Under greenwashing, what the companies are doing is that our product have been produced in environmental friendly manner. Our products have been produced with the use of green technologies. That is to use the greenwashing method, meaning since our products have been environment friendly, buy our products so that more people can go for green friendly activities. But in reality, they will be following the normal activities or normal procedures only, which is resulting in greenhouse gas emissions, but they tend to showcase themselves as environment friendly. Okay, then what is greenium? Greenium refers to the pricing benefit or premium associated with green bonds. Okay, you know that whenever you are investing in the bond, you are going to get a certain interest out of it. That interest or the premium associated with the green bond is greenium. It is the phenomenon where investors are willing to pay higher price or accept lower yields for green bonds because they value the sustainable impact these investments bring. Okay, people are willing to get lesser money if the activity is resulting into sustainable development. So it shows that they are willing for a green technology or sustainable development at the cost of the money itself. That is called as greenium, or the premium that they are losing on the green bonds. Okay, then under the greenium, the investor behavior is that the concept is based on the idea that investors are willing to trade off a small financial benefit for the environmental impact of the investment. Essentially, investors pay a premium because they see value in supporting the clean technologies and sustainability. Okay, so it shows the investors' concern for the environment. And Greenium and clean technology, it can be seen as the additional cost of choosing clean technology over the higher emission technologies. For example, an investor might accept a lower yield from the green bond issued to fund solar energy projects, knowing the environmental benefit outweighs the marginal return loss. Okay, so they give preference to environment over monetary profit. This is very rare in the given context in the present days, but still some investors are going for environment over the green technology. This is called as greenium, or trade-off between environment and other things. And any practices of greenium in India? According to the economic survey, Indian sovereign green bonds have hardly received any greenium from the private investors. Okay, investors want to invest in the green bonds, but without any greenium. They are not ready to pay any premium for green bonds in India. This suggests that unlike in some global markets, investors in India have not shown a strong preference for accepting lower yields in exchange for the environmental sustainability or environmental benefits associated with green investments. Okay, the Indian investors of private sector are fine with the fact that they are going to invest in green bonds, but they are not fine with the fact that they want to trade off certain benefit for the environmental friendliness. Okay, they think that we are already investing in the green bonds, so we should be getting some benefits out of it. We are not going to go beyond a step beyond and trade off for monetary benefit for the environmental activities. Okay, this could be due to a range of factors such as market conditions, lack of investor awareness, or relatively lower premium on the green bonds in India. So because of various reasons, the Greenium practice is not followed in India. That is the conclusion you can come to. So this is the small topic which is going to be very significant from this year's prelims. There can be directly a question about Greenium itself. Okay, so make a note of Greenium and what is green bonds. Okay, why it is less in India and all the aspects I have discussed here. So this ends our discussion for the day. Jai Hind.